How to fix CapCut old transitions are not showing. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open the App Store, and then in the search bar, you can go and simply search for CapCut. Once you search for it, simply tap onto it. And if there's any update, you have to go and simply tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. After that, you have to simply close the CapCut app completely and then reopen the app to check if the old transitions are available. Now head back to your home screen, open up your settings. Inside settings, simply tap on General, tap on iPhone Storage, search for CapCut in the search bar, and just like that, tap onto it. Now tap on Upload App, then tap on Upload App again. After uploading the application, simply tap on Reinstall App to clear the cache. Now head back to your home screen, and if the problem isn't fixed, long press on CapCut, tap on Remove App, tap on Delete App, then tap on Delete again. Once deleted, you can simply open the App Store, search for CapCut, and then Reinstall App again. Now, once you reinstall the application, open it up and check if the old transitions are now visible. Also, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Some older transitions might require an internet connection to load. And if the transitions are still missing, you can simply try using CapCut on 8 different devices to see if the issue persists. You should now have the access to the old transition in CapCut. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.